One of the worst mistake you can make to your hair is to comb it the moment you take it out from any hairstyle, be it braid, two twist, be it African thread, whatever style it is. The worst mistake you can make is to take down your hair and begin to comb it. And trust me, this was one of the mistakes that I made and many others. We just lose our hair and we begin to comb it instantly, resulting to excess shading, resulting to over stressing the scalp and all of that. But being on this journey of natural hair has taught me a lot. One thing I have learned is to focus on progress rather than perfection. I have come across so many people who they are like, my hair is not growing. I have used all the products. How many months now? This, that, all of that. Just be patient. Watch the process, okay? Watch the process. Is not an overnight journey thing, okay? It takes time. They say nothing good comes easy. Just be patient. Trust me. My hair is barely 1 year and I am so super proud of it. I am so happy because knowing where I came from, the hair I had, I'm a very long hair girl right from time. But coming to this place, the hard water in this place really affected my hair all of a sudden with pregnancies, pregnancies that caused it or whatever, I don't know. I started having, loss of hairs and all of that. Also, you have to check your vitamin levels to be sure that you're not lacking any that could as well be causing the shedding of your hair or delayed growth of your hair. All right, okay guys, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Love. How you doing? Please do well to like the video and do well to subscribe if you have not subscribed. Stay glued if this is what you want to see. If you are new to my channel, I love you. God bless you. Please subscribe. And if you're my channel subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Please do well to like the video as well. So today, the previous video I made was how I made okra gel. And of course, I mentioned the benefits of okra gel in that video. So if you've not watched it, please go and watch it. It's just about how many minutes? About 4 minutes or 3 minutes thereabout. How to make okra gel. Okra gel is very, very effective for the growth of our hair. Okay, so here I am showing us how I used it to moisturize and detangle my hair and that of my daughter. As you can see, we just took down the thread. I took down hers was twist that I made for her, and mine was African thread. So this is it. Please, I'm not dragging her hair, just the fast forward makes it look so, because she does her scarf, she doesn't want to play with her hair, so I can't possibly be dragging it like this. So this is it here. Me, I'm detangling her hair. My daughter is a very sensitive girl, just like me. My scarf pains me on a normal day. I don't even like people making my hair for me, so I know what it takes to get her hair done. You can see after everything I did, look at what came out. A hair that was dry like that. After it, look at what we got. So imagine if I had started combing it without detangling it with any liquid, it could have been a different ball game. But because I used this okra gel, it saved a lot, and it saved me from her crying, because she would have been crying, "Mommy, my hair is paining me. Mommy, it's painful. Mommy, it's painful." But you can see how smooth it went, and we are done. So first, I sectioned her hair, and I applied the okra gel and twisted it. And when I was done, I covered it up with a scarf. I didn't show all of that. The camera, I wasn't holding it, so by the time I checked it, I was too close that I couldn't really get that. So this is me, working on my own hair. I took time to first of all detangle it with my hands. I always said this: learn to be patient with your hair, don't drag it. I used my hand to detangle it. Be patient, okay? I used my hand to detangle it, and no rushing to comb it. I'm not putting any comb on my hair immediately. On a normal day before now, first thing I would do is to carry comb and be combing, dragging it, and the hairs will be on the comb. But this one, I took my time, used my fingers, detangle it step by step. Then I sectioned the hair and went in with the okra gel to work on my hair. Please, the next video that will come up is how to make a good conditioner, okay? A good shampoo that is coming up. Okay, today was my full wash day, like I said in my previous video. So I made hair conditioner, I made hair shampoo, I made this okra gel, I made rosemary oil, and of course I made coffee oil and black seed oil. So stay glued, you have a lot to watch here. This okra gel is something else. It is powerful. It is powerful. The benefits are so good. They are potent for our hair. It helped me like magic. Like, can you see that? I think you can actually carry this and go like leave-in condition, but maybe you have to add more water to make it more slippery or more watery, sorry. But this one I'm using this as a pre-poo. It's not as a leave-in conditioner. This is a pre-poo that I'm making. I'm using it for, you can see how my hair became so coily. Like, I felt like, let me carry this hair like this. So once I was done, I had to seal it in, covered it, and waited for an hour before I washed it. I'm going to show us when I washed it as well. Please, if you have watched to this point, if not like the video, I will appreciate you do well to like it. If you've not subscribed, please do well to subscribe. You can see what came out. Just it minimized the shading to the minimum. Like, you don't have so much to lose. So why don't you try this okra gel and come back here and say what the result came out, and that is it. So there's something I learned, and I want somebody out there to learn it, which is, when you're doing this, please make sure if you don't want your dress to be soiled, this is slippery, do well to cover your body. You get to a point, it becomes like water is dripping from your hair. Okay, so cover yourself properly and stay in a place, or put something so that you don't get the place wet, because I got drenched with this. All right, and you have to be careful when you're managing it. It is something slippery, so you expect that. God bless you. Please like the video for me, and thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. This is it. I'm done. I just covered it for an hour while I went about my business. This is all that came out. It's okay. We don't know. Sometimes you lose some to gain some. That is my homemade shampoo. I'm going to be using that. And the next is my homemade vinegar rinse out spray. This is it. I'm going to use it after washing my hair to rinse out. Vinegar is another magic. Please do well to like the video. This is me here washing the hair. I was so tired. Like, it's a busy day for me. It was really a busy day, doing all of this, cooking and everything. So I just had to like get down on my knees, and my daughter came to pet me. God bless you. Bye.